How to convert 4K to Full HD resolution in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a 4K video to my timeline. Right-click on the timeline and select Timelines, Timeline Settings. Here you can see that my timeline has a 4K resolution. Uncheck the Use Project settings, then change resolution to 1920 by 1080. Change mismatched resolution to scale entire image to fit, and click OK. Now we have this HD resolution timeline, and we can go to Deliver page and export it. Here you can see that resolution is set to 1920 by 1080. Render the video. Now right-click on the rendered video, and click Open File Location. Select the video and press Alt plus Enter, and in the Details tab, you can see that the video is 1920 by 1080. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.